In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Patreon membership. If you're supporting a creator and you're ready to stop future charges, I'll walk you through the exact screens to visit so your membership is successfully canceled. We'll do this right from a web browser, and I'll point out what to expect along the way so there are no surprises. Start by opening a fresh browser window and searching for Patreon. This ensures you land on the official site rather than a third-party page. When the results load, click the top result that takes you to Patreon's homepage. If you already have Patreon bookmarked, you can head straight there instead. Once you're on Patreon, log into your account with your usual credentials. Take a moment to confirm you're signing into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one email address. After you're in, make sure you're viewing your member profile. If you also happen to be a creator on Patreon, there's typically a profile switcher near the top right. Switch to the member view so you can manage memberships you pay for. Next, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click the Settings link. This takes you to your account settings area, where Patreon groups your personal details and billing-related options. At the top of this page, select the Memberships tab. This tab lists the creators you currently support, along with your tiers and renewal information. Find the creator you want to cancel. If you support multiple creators, scroll until you see the correct one and double-check the tier details so you cancel the right membership. To the right of that creator's listing, click the three-dot icon, also known as the ellipsis. This opens a small menu with actions for that specific membership. Choose Cancel Membership. Patreon will take you to a confirmation screen. Read the notes on this page carefully. Patreon usually explains what happens next, such as whether you'll keep access until the end of your current billing period and that you won't be charged going forward. You may be asked to share a reason for canceling, which is optional. When you're ready, confirm the cancellation. After you confirm, you should see a success message, and you'll typically get an email confirming the change. From this point, you won't be billed on the next renewal date for that creator. If you change your mind later, you can come back to the same Memberships tab to rejoin. And if you have other creators to cancel, repeat the same process for each one. That's it. Your Patreon membership is now canceled. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped clarify every step.